Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are trying to sign in to the Microsoft Teams desktop app but are completely blocked by error code 0xCAA30194, your computer is struggling to authenticate your account with the servers. I will show you exactly how to clear your corrupted temporary files that are blocking your login and fix your network security settings right now. Let's get started. First, we need to delete the corrupted temporary files that are blocking your login. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open your Run dialog box. Type exactly %appdata %Microsoft\Teams and press Enter. When this hidden folder opens, simply select every single file and folder inside and hit Delete. Doing this forces Microsoft Teams to completely rebuild its connection files and download a fresh, working login screen the next time you open the application. Next, error 0xCAA30194 frequently happens because your Windows Internet Security protocols are misconfigured. Click on your Windows search bar, type Internet Options, and open the Control Panel app. Click on the Advanced tab at the very top. Scroll all the way down the settings list until you reach the Security section and make absolutely sure that the box for Use TLS 1.2 is checked. Then click Apply and OK. Finally, your computer might be trying to force an old, expired login token behind the scenes. Click your Windows search bar again, type Credential Manager and open it. Click on Windows Credentials. Scroll down the list of saved passwords and look for anything mentioning Microsoft Account, Office, or Teams. Click the drop-down arrow next to those specific entries and hit Remove to ensure Teams cleanly asks you for your password without errors the next time you open the application. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.